My country is Sri Lanka. She is my motherland. Sri Lanka is a very beautiful country. She is an island. Colombo is the commercial capital of my country. There are 9 provinces and 25 districts in my country. There are beautiful hills, mountain ranges, and beautiful waterfalls in my country. There are many national parks, and we find varieties of birds and animals in them. Nuwara and Peradeniya botanical gardens are famous for flowers. Ancient ruins in Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa show our past glory. Tourists from many parts of the world visit Sri Lanka to see her beauty. Sri Lanka is called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. I love my country very much.